I was in the middle of getting ready for soccer practice when I got the news. And I was very excited. I was very excited. She told me not to tell anyone aside from like my immediate family. So I told my little sister. Um, but and then I texted my mom. I was like, Mom had texted me. Oh, sorry, Mom had called me. Like, they want me. And she was like, what? But then I had soccer practice. So she was like, I left her on a cliffhanger. But it's very exciting.
It was a big celebration. I could not feel anything. The moment I heard, I was like, oh my gosh, like this is like an absolute dream come true. I mean, it makes me feel relief in a sense because like my parents traveled all the way from Iran for the sake of our education, my brother's education, my sister's education. So, I tried really hard to like, give back to them because they sacrificed, like all of their education to come here for the sake of our education.
Wow.
So the fact that I was able to get the scholarship was like it was truly a blessing, especially when I told them about it and they were very proud of me. I mean, nothing feels better than when your parents are proud of you.
I was introduced to Monmouth by one of my teachers who went there. His name is Brett Wolf. And his daughter actually goes here too. So he encouraged me to apply to Monmouth. And after I did like the visit and I did an ID camp with them for soccer, I was like, I really like Monmouth.
As of right now, I guess like the big like thing that I want to major in is pre-med. I'm not really necessarily sure like what type of like doctor I want to be. I mean, ever since I was younger, I was like, oh, I want to be a baby doctor, and then the more I got older, I was like, maybe I want to be a heart doctor. It kept switching. As of right now, it's been a few years. I've been really like bogged down to nutrition. I love learning about nutrition, just the whole idea about nutritional studies. I'm really interested in. I mean, every day after school, even though like I'm exhausted and tired, I would sit down, eat my food, and I would watch nutritional videos on YouTube because I don't like reading research papers that much since I don't really understand them yet. But when researchers like go down to like the nitty gritty and like talk about like the summary of research papers, like that's the stuff that I'm really like, I just love learning about. So as of right now, I really do want to like learn more about nutrition and hopefully do some nutritional research, which is the one thing that is making me really excited about college.
I want to major in political science and I want to minor in accounting. I want to major in political science because I want to join the FBI.